Hello, my name is Giovanni. I'm the sales manager over at Shaler Honda, and today I'll be going over how to turn off your safety features as well as turning them on. Okay, so today we'll be talking about three major safety features that are offered on the 23 Passport EXL model. The P here stands for your parking sensors. This feature is going to let you know how close you are to any object. The way it works, your screen is going to show you either green, yellow, or red. Green is you're in a safe distance, yellow is getting closer, and then red is you are just about to touch whatever object you are close to. You're also going to get an audible sound that's going to follow. That's going to be somewhat of a rapid beeping. The beeping is going to pick up in pace as you get closer to the object to let you know how close you might be in proximity. Okay. Your next feature that we're going to go over here is going to be your forward collision braking system. Now, to turn this feature on and off, it's going to be a long press. Once you hear the beep, you're going to know that that feature has been turned off or on. What the forward collision braking is used for, it's going to be a camera that's on the other side of your rear view mirror here that's going to be watching the road for you. And it's going to detect if there are any objects in front of you that are not moving. So the vehicle can tell if you're driving and you're coming up against an object that is not moving. It'll prompt you with a big black and orange brake sign right on your screen. If you do not brake, the vehicle will start the braking process for you, okay? The next safety feature that we have here is going to be your lane keeping assistance. Now, that's going to be the little picture here with the car coming over the lines. Now, to turn this on and off is an easy click. You also have your light to let you know whether the feature is on or off. When the green light is on, that's letting you know that the feature is actively running. Okay, now what this feature is going to do is going to detect the lines that are in the floor. If you are to go over the lines on the floor, what's going to happen is the vehicle is going to prompt you on the screen that you're crossing over the lines. It's also going to give you a light vibration on the steering wheel to try to autocorrect you to get you back into the lanes. Okay, if that is a feature you want turned off, all you do is click it, light comes off, and now that feature will no longer be active.